The Indian markets reacting sharply today because of the mounting tensions of war with Pakistan after the tragic, unfortunate and dastardly act carried on by Pakistan in Pahalgam, and sharp reaction by India and Prime Minister Modi yesterday almost confirming and giving a firm speech that the terrorists would be held and tracked down to end of the earth. I think the market obviously prefers stability. The market doesn't like war or war-like situation. So in anticipation of a very sharp reaction from India, a very sharp retaliation from India, the markets are falling. This is despite very positive global cues. The American markets ended in positive because President Trump did indicate that the deal with China may after all be reached, and India and South Korea would be amongst the first to finalize a trade deal. But I think the India-Pakistan tensions are overpowering the global positive news which is finally coming from the tariff war. And well, every citizen of India wants India to give a firm reply to what Pakistan has done in Pahalgam. But then the stock markets and the financial markets do react. And by the way, the Pakistani markets, the KSE index, is also down by more than 2,500. In fact, their system crashed, and rightly so. But the Indian markets for now reacting negatively, barring the IT, because IT is mostly related to the US, which was doing well. All the other indices are trading in red and reacting sharply to mounting war tensions between India and Pakistan.